Hi, this video explains the deleting of nodes from single linked list. There is also possibility of three different cases. One is deleting the node from beginning of the list, deleting the node from end of the list, deleting the node at particular position. So here, first we are uh, discussing about deleting the node from beginning of the list. So here this is the first node stored in 100. This is 105. This is 108. So the head pointer is having the address 100, tail pointer will have address 108. So this will be the tail. So what we have to do, we have to delete this node. If you want to delete this node, make the head pointer point towards the second node, point towards the second node. So the head pointer has establishes the link with second node. So here, instead of 100, that address has to be updated as 105, right? Then deleting the first node using the delete keyword, right? So then we can automatically this node has to be deleted by using the keyword delete or delete operation. Now we will see the code in Java. So here we are passing the delete underscore begin. First we are checking head equal to null or not. So that means if head equal to null, so this is the head pointer, that means here null. Tail also pointing null, so this is tail. Okay, if it is the case, the list is empty. Else else so here we are having three nodes. Here we are having three nodes. First node is the head, right, which is pointing the 100. So 100 is the address of first node. Then we are making second node. Here the second node is, let's say, 104. So 104 will be written here. Then third node, this is null. Here 107 or 8. So 108 will be written here. So here I want to delete the first node is the representation by head. Okay, so now the link has to be updated in the head. So now we are checking head not equal to tail. Yes, head is 100. Okay, head is 100, tail is 108. Tail is 108. Okay, now since we are going to delete this node, new head will be this one. New head will be this one. So this address of the head new node is available in the head dot next. So head dot next is 104. So 104 will become the new head. So this link is established, right? Otherwise then head also tail also null. That means if there is only one node, look at here, I am having only one node, this is null. So here 100, this is the 100, head is pointing the first node. That means if there is only one node, then what will be happen, this has to be deleted. Once it is deleted, head will become null, list will be empty. Tail also, right, now tail also 100. Actually tail also 100, so tail also will become null. So that is the statement of this one. Next, deleting the last node from single linked list. So this is the last node in the single linked list. So what we have to do, suppose the node 1 is having the address 100, so automatically address stored in the head pointer is 100. Then you assume this is 104, this is 108. So 104 is written here, 108 is written here. This is null, right? Last node address is null. So when you are deleting the node, last node, this link has to be broken. Link has to be broken. If that link has to be broken, then the last node address has to be this address has to be updated. So making the second last node's next pointer point to null. So this field has to be made as a null. If it is made as a null, automatically this link will be broken. That is the way. Here you see, initially we are checking, right, head equal to null or not. That means there is the list available or not. So head is null means, right, okay, then the list is empty. List is empty. But here we are having nodes. Here we are having nodes. 3 nodes. Here we are having 3 nodes, right? So this is 100, 104, 108. So head is having 100, so automatically points this one. Tail is having 108, automatically point this one. Now the first node is having the address of 104, link is created. The second node is having the address of 108, so link is created. The third node is having the null, so there is no node after the third node. Okay, now our aim is deleting the last node. Deleting the last node. So already we know, linked list, whenever we are accessing, it starts from the head node. So we have to move step by step to reach the last node. So for that, what we are checking now, head not equal to tail. Yes, head is 100, tail is 108. Yes, the condition is true. If condition is true, the head is assigned to the variable, new variable current. So head is assigned to the new variable current. Then now checking current dot next not equal to tail. Yes, current dot next not equal to tail. Okay, tail is 108. Tail is 108. So current dot next is 104. This is the current dot next. 104 not equal to 108. Yes, it is true. It is true means current dot next is 104 assigned as now present current node. So 104 will become the present current node. So this variable is updating. Yes, 104. 104 is this node. So this will become current. Yes, okay. Now again we are checking current, right? Current is now, next step is current is now current dot next. You look at here, the statement is current dot next. Current dot next is 108. So next statement 108 not equal to, you look at here, tail. Okay, current dot next not equal to tail. You look at that, tail also 108. Okay, this condition is false. This condition is false. So automatically it will come out of the loop. Okay, it will come out of the loop. What is the current value? Current value is 108. So 108 will become the, right, sorry, current value. What is the current value? Current value is current dot next only 108. Current value is 104. Look at here. Okay, current is 104. Current dot next only 108. Okay, so current is 104. 104 will become the tail. So this tail, okay, this tail will be 104. This address will be updated now. Here 104 is the tail. So 104 tail means this link will be deleted. This link will be deleted. So tail dot next. Now tail dot next is having 108. So this has to be updated. So tail dot next is becoming null. So the node, okay, the node here, the second last node will be established with null. Established with null. Okay, this will be established with null. Okay, so that is the statement of this one. Otherwise, if there is only one node, if there is only one node, right, here only one node means the address will be 100, head is having 100, also tail also having 100, so both are representing the same node. That means only one node available. Then if you make head is also null, okay, head is also null, then tail is also null, so this link will be deleted. Okay, so automatically the node will be deleted from the list. Then deleting a particular node from the linked list, so here we have to mention the previous node, so make the next pointer of the node previous to node being deleted. Okay, so point to the successor node of the node to be deleted. That means this is the node to be deleted, right, node to be deleted. So here this address, this address, okay, suppose if it is having the 100, 104, 108, so now here the 104 is available here, 108 is available here, so the node going to be deleted, next pointer of the node previous, okay, this is the previous, this is the previous, this is the node going to be deleted, right. So here the address of the node to be deleted will be assigned to the previous node next pointer. This is the thing, next pointer of the previous node, next pointer of the node previous node has to be make the node which is going to be deleted. Here this has to be updated as 108. Automatically the new link will be created to the node, then we can delete the current deleted node. So here for that we can use the first we are checking head equal to null. If the head equal to null is empty, right, the otherwise we can go, the head is assigned to the temporary variable. We are having list like this, so here it is 100, 104, 108, right, the 104 is written, head is written with 100, so this is the head, so it is pointing to the first node. 104 written, so link is created. 108 is written, link is created. So tail is the pointer which is having the address 108. Okay, now the head is assigned to temporary variable. Okay, temporary variable, then we have to give the position. Okay, after which node we are going to insert. Okay, if position is 0, if position is 0, then what is the happen, the head is, okay, this is the 0th node, first node, second node, like this. If position is 0, then this node has to be deleted, this node has to be deleted automatically. What is the temporary dot next, temporary dot next is 104, so 104 will be updated in the head, so this link will be created, this one will be broken. So that is what given here. If position is not equal to 0, what will be happen, if position is not equal to 0, right, so then now if position is not equal to 0, we can make, okay, we can make I equal to 0, temporary not equal to null. You look at here, this is the temporary. Okay, first node is the temporary now, right, so is it null, temporary is it null, no, it is not null, it is not null, right. Now I less than position minus 1, because if it is the 2, okay, if it is the 1, wait, let's make 1, if it is the 1, right, so at first position I want to insert, that's why we are giving position minus 1. Okay, at position minus 1, so we are going to find out the 0th node. After 0th node we are going to insert the new node, right. So now for that we are moving. So now position, now temporary variable at the position 0. Okay, so position -1, yes, it is position -1. So condition is false, automatically come out. Suppose if it is my position is 2 means, if my position is 2 means, then it will iterate one time. Okay, it will iterate one time. Temporary will become this one, temporary will become this one. Okay, so now as of our case, so position is 1, position is 1, right? So now the pointer is now available in the 0th position. Okay, 0th position. Now we are checking temporary equal to null. No, it is false. Okay, temporary dot next equal to null. Temporary dot next is, temporary dot next is 104. Okay, that is also false. Okay, so if it is false, right, then this statement will not execute. This statement will not execute. So now what we are making, right? So the temporary dot next, so temporary dot next is 104. Okay, temporary dot next is this one. Temporary dot next means, okay, temporary dot next means 108. 108. So 108 is assigned as beside node. Okay, okay, 108 is the beside node. So now the temporary dot next, okay, temporary dot next is 108. Okay, so now temporary dot next, okay, temporary dot next will become 108. That means you look at here. So here, this is the temporary dot next. Previous temporary dot next is 104. The 104 will become as 108. So this will be overwritten. So automatically the new link is created. New link is created. Okay, here 108 will be written. So this new link will be created. So automatically the node which is available in the 1, position 1, is deleted. Is deleted. So this is the way to delete the particular node from linked list, single linked list. Thank you.